Welcome to Crypto Cryptid. Today we're going to look at XRP and its price predictions. And if you want to know more about crypto, make sure you follow our channel. Let's get into the video. Ripple is a money transfer network designed to serve the needs of the financial services industry. XRP, a cryptocurrency tailored to work on the Ripple network, is consistently listed among the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Despite its ambitions, Ripple is currently tied up in legal troubles with the Securities and Exchange Commission, although that has hardly prevented XRP from surging in value with other cryptos. Ripple is a payment settlement system and a currency exchange network that can process transactions around the world. The idea is that Ripple serves as a trusted agent between two parties in a transaction, as the network can quickly confirm that the exchange went through properly. Ripple can facilitate exchanges for a variety of fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and even commodities like gold. Ripple was designed from the very beginning to essentially be a replacement for SWIFT, a leading money transfer network, or to otherwise replace the settlement layer between major financial institutions, says Pat White, CEO of Bitwave. Whenever users make a transaction using the network deducts a small amount of XRP, a cryptocurrency, as a fee. The standard fee to conduct transactions on Ripple is set at 0.00001 XRP, which is minimal compared to the large fees charged by banks for conducting cross-border payments, says L. Lee, board member of On-Chain Custodian. As of late April 2021, the XRP price was $1.38 per token, meaning transaction fee works out just to be $0.0000138. XRP is cryptocurrency that runs on the XRP ledger, a blockchain engineered by Jed McCaleb, Arthur Britto, and David Schwartz. McCaleb and Britto would go on to found Ripple and use XRP to facilitate transactions on the network. You can buy XRP as an investment, as a coin to exchange for other cryptocurrencies, or as a way to finance transactions on the Ripple network. Notably, XRP's blockchain operates a little differently than most other cryptos. Other cryptocurrencies open their transaction ledgers and verification processes to anyone who can solve complex equations quickly, but transactions are secure, as the majority of ledger holders must agree with the verification for them to be added. Instead, the XRP's Ripple network somewhat centralizes things. While anyone can download its validation software, it maintains what it calls unique node lists that users can select to verify their transactions based on which participants they think are least likely to defraud them. Its default list currently contains 35 trusted validators. Ripple decides which validators to approve for this list and also makes up 6 of these validation nodes. However, users can opt out of this default list and hypothetically remove Ripple-backed validators from their transactions entirely, instead constructing their own list of trusted validators. This would allow the network to continue to approve transactions, even without Ripple, the company, remaining involved or even continuing to exist. As new transactions come in, the validators update their ledgers every 3 to 5 seconds and make sure they match other ledgers. If there's a mismatch, they stop to figure out what went wrong. This allows Ripple to securely and efficiently validate transactions, which gives it an edge over other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Bitcoin transaction confirmations may take many minutes or hours and are typically associated with high transaction costs, says Lee. XRP transactions are confirmed around 4 to 5 seconds at much lower cost. Mining is the distributed verification system used by most blockchain-based cryptocurrencies. It both facilitates transactions and provides the mechanism by which new currency is introduced into a cryptocurrency system, typically as a reward to verifiers for their work supporting the network. For example, Bitcoin has a total supply limit of 21 million tokens that are steadily released as more and more transactions are verified. XRP, in contrast, was pre-mined, meaning the XRP ledger created 100 billion tokens that are then periodically released publicly. Ripple owns about 6% of that as an incentive for it to help the cryptocurrency grow and be successful over time. Another approximately 48% are held in reserve for regular release into the market through sales. Understandably, this has led to concerns that a lot of XRP could be released at once, diluting the value of other XRP already in circulation, because part of what gives any currency its value is its comparative scarcity. Ripple advantages. Number 1. Fast settlement. Transaction confirmations are incredibly fast. They generally take 4 to 5 seconds compared to the days that it may take banks to complete a wire transfer, or the minutes or potentially hours it takes for Bitcoin transactions to be verified. Number 2. Very low fees. The cost to complete a transaction on the Ripple network is just 0.0001 XRP, a small fraction of a penny at current rates. Number 3. Versatile exchange network. The Ripple network not only processes transactions using XRP, but it can also be used for other fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Number 4. Used by large financial institutions. Large enterprises can also use Ripple as a transaction platform. Santander, Axis Bank, and Yes Bank are a few using this network, demonstrating that it already has a larger institutional market adoption than most cryptocurrencies. Ripple disadvantages. Number 1. highly centralized. One of the reasons that cryptocurrencies became popular is that they were decentralized, taking control away from large banks and governments. The Ripple system is centralized and goes against this philosophy. Number 2. Ripple Labs controls the XRP supply. Ripple Labs decides when to release coins, giving it control, versus other cryptos where coins are slowly and steadily released by mining. This means that Ripple Labs has more power to influence the value of XRP by deciding when and how many tokens to release. Number 3. Recent SEC action against XRP. In 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, saying that since it can decide when to release XRP, the company should have registered it as a security. Until this gets resolved, it could slow down institutional use of the system. As a result, several exchanges have also stopped listing XRP, such as Coinbase. You can use XRP like any other digital currency, either for transactions or as a potential investment. You could also use the Ripple network to process other types of transactions, like exchanging currencies. For example, if you're looking to swap USD for euros, you could first exchange your USD for XRP on the Ripple network, and then use those to buy euros, rather than handling the currency exchange directly through a bank or money exchange. This can be a much faster and cheaper approach versus paying the higher fees that banks and money remittance organizations may charge. XRP price is extending the brutal Wednesday crash on Sunday in the red for the third straight day, while refreshing monthly lows at $0.7718. A fresh selling wave has engulfed the crypto board once again, with Bitcoin shedding nearly 8% to near $34,000 levels. Ethereum threatened the $2,000 threshold, down about 11% so far. The risks remain skewed to the downside for the digital assets after China's regulators tightened restrictions, banning financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrencies earlier on. On Friday, China's Vice Premier Liu He vowed to crack down on Bitcoin mining and trading activities as part of efforts to curb financial risks. After breaching the $1 mark on Wednesday, the XRP bears remain unstoppable and eye deeper losses, as depicted by Ripple's daily chart. The XRP price is witnessing another leg lower this Sunday, having closed Saturday below the mildly bullish 100-day simple moving average at $0.9234. The sellers now remain on track to test the critical 200-day SMA support at $0.6583 as the downside pressure intensifies. The next relevant support for the XRP bulls is aligned at the horizontal trend line at $0.5469. The last line of defense for Ripple is envisioned at the psychological $0.5 barrier. The relative strength index keeps heading south, currently at 34.71, suggesting that there is more room to decline before the indicator enters the oversold territory. Adding credence to the downside momentum, the price is on the verge of confirming a bear cross, with the 21-day SMA look to pierce through the 50-day SMA from above. However, if the XRP sellers fail to find acceptance below the 200-day SMA support, then a rebound toward the 100-day SMA could be on the cards. Only a daily closing above the latter could bring a halt to the downward spiral in the near term. Further up, the XRP bulls will try to recapture a dollar level on a sustained basis. That's all for today. If you find the video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more cryptocurrency related news, and I'll see you in the next video.